Hey guys, this is Raj Blends. Welcome to my channel. Today we will make honey jar and bees. Let's get started. Delete default cube, then add a plane and edit it for background. Add a cube and edit top face for head of jar. Then add solidify and subdivision modifier. Add more loop cuts for details and delete top face, then shade smooth. Tweak some details as per need. Added some more loop cuts and scaled it for more jar-like shape. Now for cap, just add a circle, then extrude and fill it. Then add solidify and subdivision modifier. Add more loop cuts for more detail. I added more details to the jar top and to the cap. More refining the details. And now for the honey dipper, add a circle. Then extrude and scale it as per need. Add a UV sphere in edit mode and then rotate and scale it. Now select some face loops and extrude it along normal. Then add bevel modifier and shade smooth. More refining the details. For the cloth top, add a circle and extrude it, then scale. Give some random movement to vertices. Then add solidify and subdivision modifier. For knot, add a Bezier circle and edit it as a rope knot. Set up some scene. Give bevel modifier to background plane and shade smooth. Add metaballs for honey drops, then distribute randomly on the scene. Now add a UV sphere and edit it in the shape of a bee. For wings, add a plane with some loop cuts and edit it. Separate some faces for eyes and change solidify modifier value. Extrude some face for nose and scale it. Separate a face, then extrude it and scale it in shape of legs. Add mirror modifier for both side legs. Place these randomly on the scene and scale. Separate bottom of the jar for honey. Remove solidify modifier and seal the top face. Adjust camera and background plane. Set up materials. For lighting, add a point light for background to separate it from foreground. Then 2 more point light with warm color and higher strengths on the foreground. These are the render settings I followed. This is our final result. Hope you like it and able to follow it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you in future video.